Welcome. My name is Miss Lulo, and I am the advisor to this wonderful organization called Pulse.
They can tell you what to do, you can choose not to listen. They can try to push you down, but you can fight back. I guess it's one of life's greater lessons. You can take the higher road, a different path. You can make a plan, or you can just wing it. Wait till the end or start before it begins. Try to be different or just stay the same. You can choose to be brave even when you're afraid. There are